Blue shirt, check. Blue shoes. Now this is a decision. Georgetown's it is. Right on time. My screen protectors are here. Of course, Amazon screwed me and didn't deliver my cases. They should still be here sometime today, but at least the biggest thing, I have my screen protectors, the AM film ones I showed you on my video. I ordered them myself. So, man of my word. One thing I'm sad about, though, is this right here. So, this is a Clicks keyboard case, and basically, it's like having a BlackBerry iPhone. I've really been enjoying using this for the last week since I finally got my hands on one. And I don't think the iPhone 16 Pro Max will fit in here. But anyway, we'll have to see about that. But yeah, I'll have to wait and get the iPhone 16 case. But anyway, let's get out of here. Also, I have a bit of a conundrum right now because it's 10 o'clock. I can't pick up my phones until 11:30, and I'm starving, but I don't want breakfast food. I want Mexican food. Let's see what I can make happen. Charlotte, what iPhone do you want today, huh? What iPhone do you want? This is Charlotte the Shar-Pei, best dog ever in the history of mankind. She wanted some film time. What do you want, iPhone 16 or 16 Pro? You can't decide? That's a tough decision. Guess I'm taking the Corvette today. Yeah. I had to put my critical thinking hat on, but there's this place right here. It's called Habaneros. It's in Friendswood, over off 2351 if you've never been over here. And they've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I can get lunch food on the end of the breakfast. My son can get whatever he wants, and then I can still do this before it's time to pick up the phone. So, I'm so smart. They have really good food in here. Anyway, this is a breakfast menu, which I'm not ordering off of. But thankfully they'll serve me cheese enchiladas at 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's a win. Their salsa is delicious, and the queso are delicious. Like, you can't go wrong with pretty much anything here. Take a look at my son's omelet. That's probably the biggest omelet I've ever seen in my life. I can eat that.
My mouth.
Bon appetit. Can't wait to eat this. All right, made it to the beautiful Baybrook Mall. I don't know how beautiful it is, but it's the mall I got, but our Apple store is in here, so time to go and get the iPhones. Thank goodness, back into the land of AC. So, as y'all know, if you've watched my previous vlogs, one of the moral dilemmas I normally have is that I get here early in the morning and Cinnabon is closed. But now Cinnabon is open. So, do I get Cinnabons or do I not get Cinnabons? We'll have to figure out after I get the phones. What do you think? Cinnabons or what?
Yeah, I'd be shocked if we didn't get some.
The world may never know. Here we are at the Apple store. You can see there's so much pandemonium and chaos that's going on right here. Time for me to figure out what line it is that I need to get in so I can get my phones. Okay, standing in line to get the new phone. There's one person in front of me. So that's one of the nice things about the window, but unfortunately the way they did the sales this year, within like first 5 minutes before I could even get into the portal to buy mine, the times had already got pushed back to like 11:30. So I'd hoped to get it earlier, but it is what it is. All right, this ultramarine color looks gorgeous. It looks way better than it looks online. Plus with this two-tone, kind of like the ombre around the camera, that looks really nice. Shoot, I wish they had this in the Pro. Sweet. Got my iPhone 16 Pro and my Pro Max. Time to get out of this madhouse. Which it is an absolute madhouse in here, for sure. All right, got the phones. I actually got an extra one that I bought while I was there, along with a few accessories because I have mental disorder. But anyway, so I got a 16 in the teal, I think it's teal color because one, it looks amazing. I got the case and the wallet to go with it, but figured why not? We'll see what's going on. But surprisingly, like the line was way crazy when I first got there, not a whole lot of people, and then it was taking them forever to process people. So then there was tons of people. Fortunately, I had a time slot, so that was good. But they had lots of inventory. Like I asked them, I was like, "Hey, do you have any 16s?" They're like, "Yeah, we got tons of phones." So got a 16. I couldn't resist. But hey, finally, after all these years, I'm going to leave with some Cinnabon and an iPhone. Okay, got the complete package. Yes, we have iPhones, but most importantly, we got Cinnabon for the whole family. Okay, so I'm back with the phones. We're going to do a massive unboxing. This is the 16 Pro I got in the natural titanium, and then I've got the 16 Pro Max in the desert something, whatever it's called. And then I got a 16 while I was there in teal. I was surprised they actually had a whole bunch of phones there, which is very, very uncharacteristic, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe less people pre-ordered them. But I got an official Apple Silicon 16 Pro Max case because I love this purple color. Couldn't resist. And then I got the kind of matching case for the 16, and I got the little wallet thing. But anyway, so let's take it all out of the box, right? Let's start with the Pro Max. So one nice thing about this is at least it's easier than opening up the Pixel phones, right? So if you saw those videos, I had a time trying to open them up. But here is whatever this color is, desert titanium, and it's kind of interesting. I expected it to be more like of a gold. I've seen so many videos and pictures, and depending on the lighting, sometimes it looks more gold, sometimes it looks more deserty. I mean, it does really kind of look like a desert titanium color. As somebody who's seen lots of deserts, I was deployed to a country called Oman back in 2002. I was in Baghdad, Iraq in 2006. I've been to Vegas a lot. Like I've got a lot of hours clocked in the desert. So trust me when I say it looks deserty. And then got the cameras there as well. So yeah, sharp looking phone. We've got power button over here. We've got this haptic touch capacitive camera button thing, and action button over here, volume rocker, very much a very titanium Apple phone, and it looks sharp. So I'm going to take the sticker off the screen. Very nice. To go ahead and fire this up so we can see how it looks with the bezels. I know are supposed to be smaller than ever this year. And then we have this fancy braided Apple cable, which I like this. I like this a lot. Instead of being in a circle, it's in an oval, so they changed the shape which they store it inside the box. But this is a nice like nylon braided cable. I like that a lot. And here we have the most useless card insert ever in the history of mankind. No SIM ejector tool. Why? Because it's eSIM only, which I hate. And no stickers anymore. So no more stickers. This is the first year, no stickers with it, but apparently you can ask for stickers at the store. So there's that. So anyway, yeah, the color is a little on the bland side, I will say that, but it does look like deserty titanium. So let's see how we feel about this moving forward. I mean, basically, if you got a 15 Pro Max, so this is going to be very, very, very similar phone in many areas. I mean, it's got the whole camera thing now, which I'll test that out and see how it is. But yeah, I mean, it even has a click if you push down on it, so that's cool. I'll be interested to test that out. Up next, actually, let me put the case on it. So this, what color is this? Plum. So this is a 16 Pro Max case in plum. I'm a sucker for all things purple. I wasn't going to buy one of these, but while I was there, I couldn't help myself. So there we go. Looks really nice. I mean, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. And then I think it complements the Desert Titanium pretty well. One thing that irks me though is they don't have a silicone case that matches the Desert Titanium. They have like a hard shell one, but they don't have a silicone one. So there's that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good matched together, purple and kind of goldish. So anyway, that's the case. All right, let's switch it up here. So this color, this is beautiful. This is the teal color iPhone 16 128. And actually, my son went with me today, but this phone is actually a surprise. I am going to test it out, but then I'm going to give him a new iPhone because he has an iPhone 13 and it's all beat to crap. But I didn't want to tell him that I'm buying this for you while we're here. So this will be a surprise. But anyway, so yeah, this color, absolutely beautiful. I saw it in the store. I'm like, man, this teal color looks nice. It's such a shame it's only a 60 hertz refresh rate. But yeah, it's got the action button now. That's cool. And then I like the camera here. It's kind of like this ombre two-tone where you got the lighter color with the dark around the camera. And if this were one singular camera lens module, it would remind me a lot of the XS actually. Beautiful looking phone. Like, this is a beautiful looking phone. I love this color. So there's that, and you got the camera action over here, and then you've got the regular power button and all that stuff. So that's cool. Also the braided charging cable, the same little piece of paperwork, no SIM ejector tool, no sticker. Let's see what the case looks like on it. So yeah, I just went on an extra spending spree while I was there. I was there for my appointment and I was like, hey, that phone looks really nice. Do y'all have any of them? They're like, oh yeah, we have tons of phones, which is very, very uncharacteristic of an Apple launch. They were like, yeah, we're surprised we have so many. So anyway, this is what the teal looks like with this Apple silicone case on it. I think that it goes really, really well together. And then let's see what the wallet looks like on the back. I've never actually had one of these wallets. A couple of my kids have them, and it works with MagSafe on the back, so it just kind of hooks on there. They've got this. It would be neat if this were. Dadgummit, how am I supposed to get that out? Oh, okay, cool. I was like, this is not working out so well. So it's just a little insert. It shows you how to put your card in there. But yeah, that's neat. I think this looks really well together. So you got the leather, wallet, the case, the phone, the whole shebang. My son will probably be really excited about this. So I am going to make a video or two with it before though. So he's still going to have to wait a little bit. And he probably won't watch this video, so he doesn't even know any better. So just don't tell him. All right, now for the last one, the iPhone 16 Pro and the natural titanium. So I really like the way the natural titanium looks. I really loved it last year, and I think it looks really good again this year. So I got the 16 Pro because I'm not sure if I want the Pro or the Pro Max, so I got both of them because, as we all know, if you don't get it on launch day, it could be weeks or a month before I could even get my hands on one of these. But I'm curious to see how the battery is. The battery with the 15 Pro was terrible. The battery with the 15 Pro Max started off okay, and then it turned really, really terrible for me. So I'm hoping that the battery will be better on the 16 Pro this year. So we'll see how all that works out. But yep, here we go. This is the Desert Titanium and the Natural Titanium. So they look very similar. They just have kind of like different hues to them. So that's kind of interesting. Let me see if I can do all this one-handed. But ow. So yeah, 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro. And I will have videos coming. And hopefully you enjoyed the vlog video. Like normally, like every year I make my vlog video, go in to go pick the phones up. So I did that again this year. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully it was entertaining. Hopefully you got to learn about some good Mexican food, see some fast driving, which is totally safe, of course. And I don't know, maybe I'll share some photos later of the Cinnabon before I get ready to eat them. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all get back to your regularly scheduled programming. This, of course, is the vlog, unboxing, all that stuff. Now I got to go set the phone up, test it out, start using it, and see how things go from there. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, complaints, whatever, go to the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, of course, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.